Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news, looking at Fascinations first. As usual, there's nothing new coming soon from Fascinations, or at least not on their coming soon page. But in the What's New section, the monster truck has appeared, so the monster truck is now available in stores for you to purchase and build. In other news with Fascinations, and I just missed this last week, they sent out their October newsletter, and in their October newsletter is another Metal Earth Looney Tunes challenge, and it's a challenge similar to what they've done before. Basically, how to participate: you email marketing@fascinations.com your photo entry featuring at least one Looney Tunes Legends model, that is including the Gold Marvin, with a creative background. Entry deadline is November 15th by 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. In order to receive a prize, you must provide an address in the United States or have a friend's address in the US that we can mail your prize to. The challenge is open to creative interpretation. You don't have to be a professional photographer or have fancy photograph equipment. Just be creative and have fun. So there's only a few days left to enter that contest, and I apologize for not getting the word out last week. The email did not come out until I was already uploading my video. Now, looking at the Piececool website, there is one new model showing up on their website, and again, I will try to pronounce this correctly, but I might get it wrong. The Yanwan Tower, which is apparently another of the 4 famous towers according to the Piececool website. So I guess it goes in line with some of the other towers that they've been releasing recently, and that is listed on their front page when you first log in. And moving on to AliExpress and looking on some of my favorite sellers' website, there isn't a whole lot new, but there is one thing that did stand out, and that is from MU, a playground model set. Well, not a set, but there's a whole series of playground models, are all in gold, and they looks like they're sold individually, not as a set together. So I apologize, that may have been misleading, but they have several different ones, and I'll read off the ones that they have. There's a Corsair, or swinging ship, merry-go-round, circus, sky deck, fantastic castle, whirligig devilfish, roller coaster, bumper car, and a Ferris wheel. They don't look to be as big as the MU models that I've been building lately, like the Optimus Prime and the Megatron. They look smaller, more along the lines of Metal Earth models, normal models, I guess you could say. They are gold, so it's probably a softer metal, but MU does usually do pretty good models. So interesting collection of models if you wanted to build your own fairground or circus ground. It's a neat little set to have. Kind of interesting. I thought it stood out. As usual, I will try to put links in the description down below so you can check out some of this stuff for yourself. And I apologize, last week it took me a couple of days to actually remember to put those links in there. I do apologize for that. Try to get those more quickly this time. I want to thank my Patreon supporters for giving me the freedom to make these videos and for helping out. If you like these videos, news videos, build videos, or review videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. There's a link in the description down below, and here in just a second at the end of this video. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.